didn't throw a single punch. Defended myself. You know?
I didn't stretch them too much, but I gave them a little bit of a tug.
No, I just want that. That's bluegrass like that. You did a great job. My God, love this. Thank you.
They're still an Almond Joy. Yeah, you want an Almond Joy?
John, can you go? I'll save it a minute. I didn't bring my megaphone.
We're going to be done in 25 minutes.
Put your hand in that chocolate. I want chocolate. Been working too much. Hey, so Johnny was in San Diego.
Yeah, I
Thanks for the
missed
chocolate,
playing
Jeff.
him and already missed the thing.
Yeah, I like driving there.
Well, that's what you already did.
Me too.
That's something, at least they made it. Yeah. I gotta tell them that. I gotta tell them
I
the
mean,
story
sleep
that.
in front of ours in the car.
No, I'll take the I-5, go to San Diego. You get to the 210 and you go east.
I'll go down to 15.
And then go down to the 15, yeah.
Say it like in California.
Take the 5.
405.
Take it to the 15. Go through
What
Penoma,
did I just see that?
Chino, all that shit.
The Volkswagen ad, the
What's his
Head
name?
to Temecula.
Take the PCH
Armisen.
Good.
down to Melrose.
Hey, good place to ride your mountain bike.
And
Temecula.
actually went, what are you
Pull
doing?
off Temecula. What do you
And I
do in
did.
that town?
What are you doing?
I watched that thing 3 times. It popped up yesterday or maybe today.
Oh, do you do the one-wheel thing?
Oh yeah.
Is it like a skateboard? Like,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that stuff, right? Yeah.
It hurts when you fall, but it's fun.
Oh, that was.
Sounds like it might be okay to Temecula.
Yeah.
I was just riding downtown area.
Get the Taj Mahal song.
Okay, I'll get you a beer table.
I don't know what do you do.
The
They wrote a good song about it. It's an easy song.
That was the best one, HighAndDry.
Whatever.
Kindness and drag.
Not tonight.
No.
Is eyeless like a Alan Parsons
That's
song?
funny, either one of those things tonight. Oh, that's
Did you do that?
Are you gonna hand me my beard?
You ready? You get rained already?
No.
You're,
Where's my beard?
you're in the way of my beard too.
Is this yours?
No.
Jeff, is this yours?
Ring the heart?
Jeff, is this yours?
It's all the way over there. That's not anything.
Can you get to that? That's the song I was trying to think of.
Thank you. What are you guys gonna do?
We don't want it.
I've been whirled by the rain, I've driven by the snow. I'm drunk and dirty, but don't you know I'm still willing. I was out on the road late last night. I saw pretty Alice in every headlight. Alice, and I've been frozen something to come carry to attribute and told about. I feel like every kind of rig that's ever been made. Driven the back roads so I wouldn't get weighed. And if you give me green, white, and wine, and you show me a sign, I'll be willing. I've been kicked by the wind, around by the sleet, and my head's thrown in. I'm still on my feet and I'm still willing. The smokes and folks from Mexico, baked by the sun every time I go down to Mexico. Well, I've been frozen, only to come carry to hatch a Peter told about. I've driven every kind of rig that's ever been made. Driven the back road so I wouldn't get weighed. If you give me
you go.
Well, the jump can get to that.
Like E minor and F sharp.
E major and F
Major
sharp.
and F sharp.
Well, I once had a life, or rather, life had me. I was one among many, or at least I seemed to be. But I read in no quotation in a book just yesterday, said you're gonna reap just what you sow. The debts you make, you have to pay. Can you get to that? Here you get. I wanna know if you can get to that. And tell me, can you get to? I wanna know if you can get to that. Well, I recollect with a mixed emotion about the good time we once had. But you make a preparation for the final separation, and you're doing everything we can. When you face your life on credit, and your loving days are done, checks you sign with love and kisses later come back like insufficient fun. Can you get to that? Can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Tell me, can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Tell me, can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Back and let go with the mixed emotions about the good time you once had. But we were making preparations for the final separation, and you're doing everything we had. When you face your life on credit, and your loving days are done, checks you sign with love and kisses later come back like insufficient fun. Can you get to that? I wanna know if you can get to that. Tell me, can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Tell me, can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that. Tell me, can you get? I wanna know if you can get to that.
Nice kick. The croc kick. Skadoosh.
Crocs.
I was
Baby yellow socks.
What a croc.
Socks to the crocs.
Crocs.
Kicks with socks to the crocs.
This guy's Bodeckers on.
Yeah.
They got 7 minutes, I guess.
What's 7 minutes song?
Oh God, that'd be a win. It's like
It ain't raining here.
Yeah, it ain't raining here. It ain't raining here.
Here.
Yeah, we're doing an original. Tom Waits didn't write it. Tom Waits did.
quite a ride. Lord, the breeze is clear and cool. Laws of light abiding in the compass castle's fool. And it ain't cold outside. It ain't getting dark. The light still shines just where she stands. And it leaves its mark like the laying across the land. And once upon a time, water by her head, and it ain't getting dark. And it ain't getting dark. And it ain't cold outside. It ain't raining here. It ain't raining here.
And then at the end of the video, it starts raining.
Is that that?
Rain song.
Rain song.